Motorized bikes. Are you having trouble getting yours started? Simple things to check on any engine, really. Do you have fuel supply? Is your fuel supply making it into your engine, carburetor? To have combustion, you need something to combust. So make sure you're getting fuel. What's this? Oh, no way. I wonder if that's causing an issue for me. This is supposed to be the fancy upgraded coil too with the red wire, and look, it's already fading. I'm not convinced this did any performance upgrade for me at all. So if somebody's thinking, oh, I'm gonna get the upgraded one and I'll see a difference, I don't know, man. I didn't see a difference. So you verified that you got fuel. Got to verify that you have spark. If you don't have spark, no spark, no combustion. Let's say you got spark. And let's say your boot isn't split like mine. I have no idea how that got like that. Pull out the spark plug. Is it getting flooded? Is the spark plug all wet with unburnt, like raw fuel? If so, might have to take apart the carburetor. Maybe the carburetor is letting too much fuel through, which is the case on mine right here. It's not dripping right now, but if anybody saw one of my last videos, there's a needle and seat in there that's supposed to, as the fuel level rises in that bowl, it's supposed to close a little seat valve in there, needle valve, and stop the flow. Well, mine's not doing that. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but when it does not do its job, the fuel will just keep coming and it'll pour out here, and too much will go in the engine, flood it out, blah, blah, blah. Maybe it's not flooding. Maybe you got spark, and you're thinking, what the heck, I got spark, I got fuel, should run, right? Compression. Does your engine have compression? If you have spark and fuel, but no compression, and I don't have a gauge, a pressure gauge or anything like that, and I don't expect the average person to have that either. If you do, great. See how many PSI compression you have, and look it up online and see how much it's supposed to be, because I don't really know. You've spun over the motor without the spark plug in to check spark, and the motor spins freely. When the spark plug is in, you should feel that compression. If the motor still spins freely or there's not very much resistance, you're probably low on compression. Probably. These little motors wear out, and they can wear out pretty quick. I've been through 3 sets of piston rings, 2 pistons. If you don't have compression, then yeah, you got to sort that out. These bolts, I find, can loosen off. And one of the last times I was riding it, I actually noticed a bit of smoke